Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to change your email on Setmore. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, and I'm happy to help. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not affiliated with Setmore in any way. I'm just a user of the platform, and I'm sharing my experience with you. What is Setmore? If you're not familiar with Setmore, it's a scheduling and booking platform that's used by businesses and individuals. It's a great way to manage your appointments and bookings, and it's very easy to use. How to change your email on Setmore. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the meat of this video. How do you change your email on Setmore? There are two ways to do this. Change your email address in your Setmore account. This is the easiest way to change your email on Setmore. Simply log in to your account and go to your profile settings. There you can change your email address. Contact Setmore support. If you're having trouble changing your email address on your own, you can contact Setmore support. They will be able to help you make the change. Why would you want to change your email on Setmore? There are a few reasons why you might want to change your email on Setmore. Here are a few examples. You've changed your email address. You want to use a different email address for your business. You want to create a separate account for your business. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for changing your email on Setmore. Make sure you have access to your old email address. You will need to verify your new email address using your old email address. If you have any appointments or bookings scheduled, make sure you update your email address in your calendar. If you have any active subscriptions to Setmore, make sure you update your email address in your subscription settings. Changing your email on Setmore is easy to do. Just follow the steps outlined in this video, and you'll be able to make the change in no time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more information about Setmore, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching.